Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine Add-ons Feature Number 1, Document Add-ons for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on Add-ons, Document Add-ons is only clickable if an add-on has been added to the Google Doc. As such, when I click on it, a menu to the right appears where it describes the add-on or add-ons attached to the Google Doc. I can then choose various options from this particular blue button. To close the menu, all I have to do is click on the X. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.